So trying to find a balance with not taking it too serious also, right? You've got to enjoy what you do. So I enjoy every day that I get in a car, even when it's not going well. I have to remind myself, just enjoy it. It's about unlocking that potential.
Firstly, I'd like to thank Marco for aligning the stars and pushing me to unveil my hidden potential, just like Wolf Solo Media's core statement. Secondly, I'd like to thank Alana Carter for being the first subject of focus in motorsport. She's incredibly talented and such a bright soul to be aligned with. I used to think people like me weren't welcome in the industry. I'm sure a lot of you know Mr. Lewis Hamilton. He's one of my idol figures. I can now relate to how he felt with black folks being in the sport because I've experienced it firsthand. My first year won't be my last. I only want to improve, expand, and spread my work to the masses. There's so many talented photographers, videographers, writers, volunteers of all ethnicities trying to be inclusive within the sport. My advice is to pour all your interests into your abilities. You will need to give your best to receive the best results. There's so much competition. It will be hard to expose your work. But if I can do it, who's to say that you can't get lucky with a race series? The days are long, so I advise preparing yourself. But on the bright side, passion makes it all worth it.